Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to make content using Notion AI. And I'm going to be showing you a few hacks to make it a whole lot easier. So, the first hack I'll be showing you today is how to improve your script using Notion AI. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is copy paste your script and put it into a blank canvas on Notion. And you're going to want to copy paste that. And it's already giving you a bunch of options to use. So you could do improve writing, proofread, or make shorter, or you can even ask AI to do something to it, whatever you would like. But today I'm just going to use improve writing as an example. So now it's just improving the writing for us. And there we go. So it's improved it all for us, and you can press accept, discard, or even try again. So let's press accept, and it's just cleaned it up for you. Now, another hack that I'm going to show you is go on to Notion AI here and ask it, based on my scripts, give me 5 ideas for my next videos. Now let's send that through. Now it's gonna give you five ideas for your next videos, and it'll give you actually good ideas that you can now it's given us. So here is all of your ideas based on your scripts. Thank you for watching. Come back in my next videos. Bye.